Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the dysfunctional family. This is going to be a video of my summer, everything that I did possibly do during the summer and whatever I could record during the summer. Some parts I'm going to do a voiceover as well because your girl was struggling. At first, I didn't know what to do with the mics. And this is mics that I've had for a very long time, but because I took a break from YouTube, I was acting brand fucking new, okay? And then I was trying to change the settings on this camera, and child, I bring down the volume because on the regular, I don't need a mic. I can use the camera set. Man, I was going through it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Just don't talk shit, bitch, because you can get hit, ho. It feels like the only time you'll see me. Hey y'all, y'all miss me because I miss you guys. It is 4th of July. The last time I was here, I don't even remember what was the last time, but let me show y'all my little OT, whatever that shit is called, outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. Nothing crazy, just a little. Nothing too crazy. I had to pop on these shades. Even though they look like funny looking, they give like cunty on. Like, yes, I'm the rich auntie, duh. Like, that's what it's giving. Like, come on kids, let's go. I like these. I don't know, I'm just looking. Seems like they're just happy. Hey Hoochies, get ready with me to go to the beach. These are my essentials. Dial soap is a must. Scrub that bitch right on in and wash your face off. This is what I've been doing lately. So before brushing my teeth, I floss and I use this Guru Nanda oil pulling. It is good, but it just makes me want to I don't know why. Make sure you use your sunscreen, even if you are tanning. Rub that all over your neck. Use deodorant. I don't care. Use deodorant, okay? Don't be out here smelling like onions. They don't feel good. This is an oldie but goodie, Paris Hilton can. And yeah, that body, yaddy, always eating up naturally. Yeah, y'all can't see that. So we are at the beach. I got my cherries. I got my chicken stealie, orange juice, and water. It's my fault, you don't understand. I got memories. This is crazy. You ain't nothing like the girl. You know it's serious when I take the shades off. Feel me? Cause I'm ready to eat. That was a chicken salad. I was just munching like no. Yeah. Cause I ain't scared to eat. It's chicken salad. Hey y'all. So bitches at the beach. I did my 30-minute tan on each side. And now I'm about to go inside the water. Hopefully nobody steals my shit. Okay, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. I've been here since probably 9. And it's probably 11, 12. And it got packed within a matter of minutes. It's crazy. I'm gonna go in the water, y'all. Hey y'all. So I am heading to Nashe's mom's birthday party. I'm waiting for my train, yeah, because I'm a Brooklyn girl, New York girl. I take the train, okay? Follow me, you guys. So, the bitch is out here, right? I really want to show y'all my outfit. Pero, let me turn this off. La gente aquí tan locas. I'm scared, but I'm out here. I'm in Harlem. We in Harlem with it. Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah.
I got a quick question for you.
What's up? So this is the fit. So we get it, got it, get it. Ooh, 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 baby. My shit, hey. She rocking that. I hope y'all like my fit. My shit, let me tell you something. I love low-rise jeans because how it make my body look. But the way that these motherfuckers be having my booty crack out, I don't like it, me no like it. I'm trying to save all the space and battery for my friend to come out here, but the birthday girl is 30 minutes late. She said, it's my birthday, I can come late for her too. One thing I love about New York is when it's warm outside and you outside early in the morning or late at night, it feels like you're like just high. I'm making my way back. Let's see by the time I get back there they are here. Outside. Happy birthday. I'm getting the basic shit. I'm getting fried chicken with some garlic mashed potatoes. No, that's true. I said fried chicken was fried real crispy. They got a nice live band. He's singing, rapping, all that. Love it. I'll see y'all later. Jump on that video. What? Someone knows how to ride it off. Come with me to go get some Buffalo Wild Wings, my favorite place to eat at, with the cousin. Y'all wanna see my fit? Yeah. Let me stop doing. Let's do songs for me. Red pants and shirt. While I'm waiting for her, I'm watching the Bad Girls Club. I think this is season 3. Them bitches was haters.com with like both the Ambers. It's ridiculous. Like, and I can't stand it. It's disgusting. Like, it's just giving straight bully. But I see y'all when we get there. So we outside with it. Buffalo Wild Wigs. And it's fucking empty. I'm so happy because, I know, right? Because I swear to you, we never come in this bitch and it's empty. Thank you. Never. We never come in this bitch and it's empty. And they watch them still take these sweet ass motherfucking time to get them motherfucking food. Or they even attempt to us. Because they fucking look like that. My mouth is watering. I just want to sit down and eat. Bad Girls Confession right here real quick. Bitches placing us in seats that we don't be sitting at. Like, well, she thought she was going to sit us in a motherfucking ball. And we done that shit. Bitch, sit us in a motherfucking seat. We like to move. Fuck. Y'all, we sat down at the seats that we didn't want. They got... I haven't been in the front in years, actually. That's crazy.
I'm fucking believable. Unheard of.
So I usually get either 6 wings or 10 wings.
I'm getting 10 wings for that.
I usually get the honey barbecue. And then, even though I'm not supposed to be drinking, this is my favorite drink. I don't think I'm gonna drink. So I just ordered some natural sauce. I never really had that, but honey barbecue is my favorite. Extra celery, fries. Karen got jerk chicken. Pop our shit. Let's pop our motherfucking shit because these motherfuckers. Oh my god. When we get in the car, we gonna pop our shit. Bitch. Hey, this cool. It's fucking Brig Naive. Let's pop our shit. Cause these motherfuckers always got a bitch motherfucking fucked up. Ooh, está frío.
Y fucking verano.
Se fue. Let's talk about it. 1, our motherfucking wings. Where's my food at? Didn't I bring it?
No, it's not here. Run, Hillary.
That's what happens when you pop shit. You know it's real when I left the whole motherfucking shit.
That's how nasty. That's
like,
how nasty.
That motherfucker was. The shit was soggy. It was not fried crispy. That Nashville sauce, don't try it. Like, buy the french fries after a while, eating that shit made my stomach hurt. Fuck going on? This is the last time we coming in this bitch. It was emptier than a bitch. And y'all taking y'all sweet ass time to give us some cold ass food.
Yo, this is out of control.
Buffalo Wild Wings and Gateway Mall. Y'all got me fucked up.
Yo, this is hilarious. That shit was nasty for real. That shit gave BBQ.
No, all jokes aside. And I haven't had BBQ since high school.
And those were the same ones we had in Jersey.
Yes. We tried Buffalo Wild Wings in Jersey. And I promise you, we was like, we ain't coming back over here. Because what the fuck? The shit is not fried. Why y'all not frying it crispy? And y'all taking forever over there fucking probably playing with each other booty holes in the back. Because it don't make no sense. Y'all ain't giving us food. Good food.
Then down.
I'm about to pick this up. I'm about to, bitch, pick up our food correctly.
Yo.
It was so bad I left that bitch right the fuck on the table. Now I gotta take it home and air fry this bitch. To my motherfucker like it. That's another thing. What the fuck is this? And no bag. No bag.
Out of control. Ay, espérate, déjame respirar. Porque
I'm tired of y'all. I'm tired of y'all motherfuckers. That's it. I'm never coming back here. I was eager, fiending out for this motherfucking food. I'm tired of y'all. Bye, y'all. Y'all, I know the video ended very abruptly, but that's all y'all got for me, okay? Guys, stay tuned for the next video because it's gonna be more of a sit-down talk. I already filmed it. And yeah, like I said, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you have not yet, like, comment, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'm back on my shit, baby. You tell me what? Oh, that's what I thought. I see y'all later. I love y'all.